prepare for Section B in the Paper 2 Literature exam. This section you will be tested on the novel for 25 marks. It is important to note that in this section you will be given an option to either answer a literature essay or contextual questions on the novel of your choice. This means that you will need to prepare for both different options. You need to then understand what is expected of you from a literature essay as well as what is expected from you from a contextual question aspect. For the literature essay, I suggest that you get hold of the rubric as well as any past question papers which have the essay question in it. Once you have these two in front of you, you will be able to start to gauge and see what are the types of questions that you will be looking at. The different types of questions are therefore related specifically to key themes or key characters within your novel. This means that you firstly need to have an understanding of the characters as well as the major themes and ways in which the story is told. It goes without saying that you can't possibly answer this question without having thoroughly read the question as well as having paid attention to any lessons that your teacher has taught you on this novel. From that, you will be able to get an understanding of what are the key aspects within that novel. From these key aspects, you should be able to prepare for any different essay topic that you have. I personally suggest that you plan out for at least 4 different essay topics for your novel. When planning for your different essay topics, you should start out with a folder or group of bits of information that deal with a specific topic. From there, you need to create a mind map in relation to that particular essay topic. What this does is it asks you to think about the information and start to order it in relation to the essay topic. After that, it is for you to internalize the knowledge and study it. I suggest that you use the mind map as well as flashcards in order to prepare for this topic. If you are able to do this for each different topic, you already have, for instance, 4 sets of different groups of knowledge that you can then use in any different eventuality within the question paper. So you might not get the exact same question, but if you have looked at particularly the characters in relation to a few different themes for one particular essay topic, you will be able to still use that information in order to respond to other different topics that you get. When it comes to the novel, you are going to get contextual questions as well. These questions will be asking you to respond to specific aspects of an extract as well as that extract in relation to the novel as a whole. It is important again here that you work out a question word bank, but you can also use the one that you created for the poetry section. You will need to create a separate content word bank for your novel, as the content words within a novel sometimes differ from the poetry ones. In particular, when you look at characterization or setting, which would differ from a poem. You can then use the content word bank that you create for the novel as well as for your drama aspect as well. So try and create resources for yourself that are going to assist you throughout the different aspects. The downside to focusing on the movies is that you could possibly get lost in different plot aspects, as the adaptations usually change in accordance to what would be better for the visual aspect on a big screen or on your TV.